Here's a quick update on the McLaren project. We just finished detailing the whole car. I got the FI exhaust working, the valves now work so we can get some quietness from it. Besides that, I need to change the brakes and the brake pads. That hasn't happened. We ended up painting the side sill black just to give it some more, I guess, darker finish. The roof is going to remain carbon. Hopefully we can clear coat this and clear coat this. Hood will be carbon, and then the rest of the panels have been painted. Some of the panels are being painted now. The wheels are also going to get painted. We are going to be changing the wheel color to a lighter gold, something like the frozen gold from HRE. I did also order a Cyvex ECU, and I'm hoping it's going to be delivered soon. They ended up breaking this module, which I need to follow up. It was caught between the tire and the harness. This is our new color. It's like a metallic white. Looks so good, although I have a dimple there. The team is assembling already the rear section so that we can proceed to assemble the whole car. This is the brake pad that we removed off the car. Rafi really wanted to change it already because, look at it. Not just rusted, it's overheated and then this cracked out. The car is finally home. It looks amazing, but honestly, there are a lot of things that we need to go over and sort out. Right now, what you're seeing is the final version of the fiberglass body kit. Hopefully, one day I'll have enough time to do a carbon full kit again. But for now, we're gonna be changing the bonnet and also getting into the battery compartment because I haven't ran this car in a while and I need to charge the battery because the lithium-ion battery doesn't want to seem to charge from the 12-volt outlet socket that's situated here in front. Also, the FI exhaust has not yet been finalized, so I do have a module sitting down on the inside. And when the car left the car shop, they actually broke one of the door modules, which is apparently so hard to get because no one really breaks the door modules. And now the passenger side window will not drop when anyone will pull the door handle, which means we might break the glass. Also, that means the convertible spider top will not tuck into the body because it doesn't recognize the modules are complete, because normally when you're dropping the roof, it'll drop the windows down just a little so the roof can retract in and then the windows can go back up. And also, we had a check engine light recently. I'm not quite sure what the reason is for the check engine light. Thank God my Leonardo is still updated, so it's able to clear the codes. Right now, we're just gonna do all this front work because I can't seem to charge a battery, and that's a big problem. We will do a cold start so you guys can hear what is up with this car. It does sound good with the FI exhaust. I am lacking fender liners and like the little screen guard here on the intake side, but the car does run. We have the new Giro brakes as well installed. Here's a cold start. Okay, sounds so good. But yes, we're gonna be replacing the front hood with a new Darwin Pro Aero front hood. It's got the vents like the McLaren, so it's gonna have the louvers. And yeah, just gonna replace this. I'm gonna dismantle all this so I can hook up a connection for our tender in the future so I don't need to do all this. Yes, that's what we're gonna stay busy with. Let's go get some tools. For now, we're gonna use the clamps because I don't have my tester. I gotta figure out why the cigarette lighter port is not giving me anything. Hopefully this works. If you guys are curious, I'm using the Noco Genius charger. Got it locally. Let's hope this works. Alright, so while that is charging, let's go remove this hood and put on the new hood. Alright, the hood's gonna come off. Usually you'd want someone to be helping you because this thing might fall, but it's pretty light. There's only one bolt left. It is leaning on the glass on that side. I am gonna step here so that I can try to carry the whole thing out. That was easy. Now we gotta remove the latches. Use the pillow. All right. Let's set this aside and set down our new hood. Smells so new. Oh wow. Okay, hold on. Gorgeous. So I'm doing this alone. I'm doing this so I can lean the edges of the hood onto the glass. I'd say the hood's a little heavier than our product, but then again, our product is moving around a little, so it might be better like this. Ooh, okay. Using the original screws. I've aligned the hood as best as I can, and I've adjusted these guys and the lower latch and one of these side hinges to just align it. It's not the fault of Darwin Pro Aero, it is the body kit because this is a full custom car, so which means we are off a little. I'm gonna wait for my fiberglass guy Kevin to help me out, but for now this is how it looks. It's a little high here in front for me and it's rubbing just a tad here on this side. I do need to put those rubber stoppers to give it more tension because we have that. Good morning everyone, we are back here in the garage working on the McLaren 12C. Now I haven't ended this vlog since we pulled it out of carport because the car actually hasn't been running. We've had a lot of issues with the electrical. Now we are removing most of the modules. This is something you will never really see. Since I went to Singapore, I actually stopped by McLaren Singapore and ordered all the relays thinking that was the issue. But I asked Norman to actually remove the carpeting here because I was quite curious why the gauge cluster would work sometimes and then sometimes it wouldn't fire up. And we noticed that this place had sort of a rat infestation in a way where there wasn't any rat anymore, but there was like stuff being brought in and out of the car. So I don't know when that happened, maybe in the car shop, but specifically I think he gnawed on a few wires, which means I need to review most of the wiring of the car. This is a nightmare to begin with, and it was super dirty with fiberglass shavings and Norman had to clean everything up. I really want to finish this car already so I can bring it back down to the city to finish the fender liners, the side grille intakes, and also the pure turbos that I ordered for it along with the new radiator. So this car still has a long ways to go and we haven't even wrapped it to protect the white paint on it. I'm hoping we can solve this issue right here. The gauge cluster basically has not been firing up and sometimes it works and then sometimes it doesn't work, which is not good. So what's gonna happen now is I'm probably gonna end this vlog here because it's pretty long already, pretty delayed. Since we closed carport, it's almost been, I think, a year and something. So the car's just been sitting here in the garage and we decided to strip it down and really look into it. Especially after gaining a lot of experience with wiring on RWB Victoria, I now have, I guess, the confidence to really delve into the wiring system for the McLaren and really look into what is wrong with it. But for now, we're gonna end this vlog so that Nick can finish the edit and upload the video for you guys, and then after that hopefully the next vlog for this car will be in the city already doing the finishing trim on the car. So if you guys enjoyed this video, check out our other videos because I will see you guys again in the next episode.